Bastian, we want to make a video because we can't believe Daddy's cooking. Yes!
Yay! Daddy's better cook than Mommy! Yay! Daddy knows what he's doing!
We see you later.
Yeah, you see, my son loves my cooking. My son. See, we're making nice soup with potatoes, sweet potato, pumpkin, and onions, and then we're going to put these beautiful Argentinian salsichas, fresca avenida, salsicha criolla, which is Argentine old-style sausage. But we don't have any beans
what do you say,
or
Bastian?
lentils, but that's okay. We'll put some corn in there.
Bastian?
I love you. Hi.
Bastian, say to Mom, I love you. 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 I love you.
He's such a beautiful boy.
No, don't be bad with Gaucho. Gaucho don't do anything to you.
Gaucho is a foreigner.
Where you go? Come. Come. Daddy's cooking for you.
She wanna come to Canada, Louise. What do you think about that?
What do you think, Gaucho? See? Bastian!
Bastian! Bastian!
Bastian!
Bastian! I'm giving Mommy a break from cooking today. Maybe I should wait till next week because next week is Mother's Day in Argentina.